Hello student, let's start chapter number 5, factors and multiple. In your previous classes you have already learned about factors and multiple. So let's revise. We'll start with factors. What do you mean by factors? Yes, a factor of a number is a counting number that divides number completely without leaving any remainder. So let's understand with one example. Find the factors of 12. You know very well 12. 12 can be divided by which number? We'll start by 1. If you divide by 1, you will get 12 without leaving any remainder. Again, you know very well those 12 can be divided by, yes, 12 is an even number, so it can be divided by 2. So you will write here 2 how many times? 6 times. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. So here 1, this 12, this 2 and this 6 can divide 12 completely. So these all numbers are called the factors of 12. And 12 can be divided by, yes, 3 how many times? Yes, 4 times. So this 3 and 4 is a factor of 12. So now write the factors of 12. The factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and at the last 12. Now let's learn important points about factor. Every number has at least two factors, 1 and the number itself. Means every number has two factors. Like for example 5. The factor of 5 is 5 and 1. And 1 is a factor of every number. Second point is all the factors of a number are less than or equal to the number, not greater than it. So let's understand with the example. Factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. These all are less than 2, 6 and 12 is equals to 12. So the factor is always less than or equal to the given number. Now in this chapter we will learn different types of numbers based on factors. So first number is prime number. A number greater than 1 which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, is called a prime number. For example 5. 5 having two factors only, 1 and 5. 5 can be divided by 1. 5 ones are 5 and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So if any number having only two factors is called prime number. Second 11 having two only, 1 and 11, and 29 is 1 and 29. Like 7 also having 1 into 7. So these numbers are called prime numbers. Now our next number is composite number. Here a number greater than 1 which has more than two factors is called a composite number. Any number having more than two factors like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 and so on. Here 4 having 1, 2 and 4, more than two factors. So this number is called composite number. Now can you tell me what about 1? 1 is a prime number or composite number? Yes, 1 is not a prime nor composite because 1 is having only one factor. So this is 1. If 1 having one factor, so this is not a prime and this is not a composite number. Let's start with another number, twin prime. Two prime numbers with a difference of 2 are called twin prime. If you subtract two prime numbers like 5 and 3 and you will get the difference, 5 minus 3 is 2, you will get the difference 2. So these numbers are called twin prime. Like 7 minus 5 is 2, 31 minus 29 is 2. There is a composite number between the twin primes. Yes, there is a composite number between the twin primes. 5, here 3, 4, 5. Here 4 is a composite number. Let's start with another number, co-prime number. Now co-prime number will start. Co-prime numbers, two numbers with only one as the common factor are called co-prime numbers. If two numbers having only single common one factor, this number is called co-prime numbers. Like 4. If you see, the factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4, and the factor of 5 is 1, factor of 5 is 1 and 5. So common factor is only single factor 1. So these numbers are called co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are not necessary prime numbers. This is not necessary to prime number because 4 is not a prime number. Here 16 is not a prime number.